Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com.
Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to replace the door lock on a Cabrio washer. So what's going on is this washer will not start. Basically, you go to try to start it and it just beeps. So what we need is to put the latch in. Tools needed for this repair is a T15 Torx and a number 2 Phillips. Okay, we're going to remove the back screws so we can get access to the timer panel. See, these are 1/4-inch screws. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take a putty knife, we're going to get in there and hit both of the clips to release them. Then we're going to roll this back. We're going to unplug your line for the lock and push it down. Now I'm going to pull the top forward and then lift up. Here we're going to remove the 2 Phillips screws that hold the latch to the bezel. Okay, you're going to remove the 2 T15 screws in the bezel. Okay, we're going to remove the harness from the clips. Okay, we're going to put it in place. Okay, we're going to feed the Molex through the hole. And we can drop the lid down now. We're going to attach the harness. Clips back in. Okay, so what we need to do now is, since I've replaced the lock assembly, I'm going to do a recalibration. So you have to pick 3 of the buttons that are not power or start, and then you just hit 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Do that 3 times, and then it's going to come to all 8s. Then you hit the temperature button. There's actually a stored error code in there. That's why I want to do the calibration. Okay, so I have to go to test 52 and press start. Okay, calibration is complete. Okay, with calibration done, this completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.